It's Gigi the Gadget Goddess. Today I have an unboxing from a company that I had never heard of until they contacted me. This is going to be for a select audience of people who like keeping things with their phones and not having to carry anything extra around. So if you're with that, stick with me and watch this video. Let's get into this box or bag. This company is called Keyp. Nice presentation here, barcode on the bottom of the box. Keyp helps you keep it all together. So you can use credit cards, keys, money, and they come in different designs. This is going to stick right to the back of your case. A little bit of advertisement product stuff there. Thanks so much for being a keeper, because you're a keeper once you get a keep. And there's two compartments here. So once I pull this out, the front two pockets that don't open all the way are for keys. In the back you can keep cash and cards. There's a satiny kind of feel in here. Only in the back compartment. The front compartment has that denim feel. What I've done is I've grabbed one of my clear Rinky cases and I'm going to attach this back here. This is not rocket science, so it does not need instruction. I would use a case that I wouldn't want to remove this from. So this will be my keeper case. And placement's going to be everything, because it's not something you can pull down and put back up. So when not in use, it flaps right down like that. When in use, you just pull it up. Easy installation, easy use, right? I'd like to thank Austin, CEO over at Keyp, for sending me this contraption for the back of my phone and let me give it a whirl and see if it's useful to me. And if you would like to purchase one of your own, I'll leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. So if you do use it, I do get a kickback. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And have a wonderful day. And if you found this video useful, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'll catch you on the next video. Holla!